Look, it's a Rare Blue Condor!
Caw, caw.
Ah, damn it! Ah.
I laid an egg.
I just ran my back. Eat egg. Oh, I got a Rare Blue Condor! Ah! Ow! Ow! Ah!
Hello mates, we're going on a quest today for that Rare Condor. Hurt me and my friend last week. He was riding a bike, pelted him with sticks. I was jogging, pelted me with sticks. We're gonna use this gun today. It does not kill the Rare Blue Condor, but puts him to sleep. It's called a tranquilizer gun. So let's look for this beast. He's a dangerous one, he is. Let's go. There he is! Get him! Come here! Look at these jaws. Nasty, are they?